Today we're going to talk about some very specific tips that you can use to increase your Etsy sales by blog. We're going to look at how you can build a subscriber list, how you can attract more social media followers. We're going to think about how you can demonstrate your products to build an audience, great ways to tease new product releases, and how to hold a contest. We all know that Etsy has a huge SEO advantage and there's a built-in audience of millions of customers, but it can be difficult to attract customers to your shop because there's so many shops on Etsy. It can be difficult to create appealing products, and it can also be difficult to optimize your product listings. We're going to focus mainly today on how to attract customers to your shop, and I'm going to show you easy ways to do that by using different types of blogs. Blogging is a super powerful marketing tool. You can share your products, you can drive organic traffic directly to your shop. If you're not taking advantage of the power of blogging, you're missing out on a lot of possible sales. The first thing that I recommend everyone really focus on is building a subscriber list. An email list is one of the best ways to connect with your audience and keep them updated on your Etsy store and products. So if you have a blog, it's a really simple and easy way to start building a subscriber list. You can have sort of a standard subscription form that notifies readers when you share a new post. One really good example of this is Living Well Spending Less. She sells a variety of products, kitchen inventory worksheets, blogging planners, those sorts of things. And she does have plenty of free products on her website to sort of encourage people to navigate there and learn about her and her products. But she also offers additional free products when you go to subscribe to her newsletter. So offering a free product is a great way to get people to give their email address. Social media is another really good marketing tool. Anytime you have a new blog post, you can quickly share that on your business social media or your personal social media to attract more readers. Then people can sort of click on it, be taken over to your blog, see all the great content that you have, and then potentially sign up, subscribe to your blog, encourage their friends. They could share the post. So social media is a really good way to also sort of spread the word about your blog. A good example of someone doing this is Smitten Blog Designs. So she, again, it's printable products, printable tags, shopping lists, cards, those sorts of things. Beyond simply selling her products on her website, she does a lot of promotion on different social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and that helps drive a lot of traffic to her blog. Depending on the types of printable products you sell, it may make sense for you to do a vlog, which is a video blog. You could do things like demonstrate the instructions for how to use your products. You could show how you make your products. You could explain the importance of sort of goal setting or brainstorming, whatever makes sense with the type of products that you create. And this, of course, sort of drums up excitement and it can drive people to your blog and then ultimately to your Etsy store to purchase your products. A good example of this is sassyboss.com. She does a lot of printable products like workbooks, and she's got lots of video tutorials that teach people how to create printable products, create checklists. So she's a really good example of someone sort of using that vlog style to drive traffic. Of course, you can use your blog to tease new product releases. So if you have something big and exciting coming out in just a couple weeks, you can definitely build excitement for that and prepare your customers to buy it as soon as it becomes available by posting about it on your blog. And of course, you can definitely tease new product releases on social media as well with a link back to your blog or a link to your shop. You can sort of build excitement. You could have maybe a countdown clock on your main page to when the product will be released. You could give hints about the new product instead of saying exactly what it is. You could ask people to guess what the new product is, maybe in your comments on Facebook or directly on your blog. So this is kind of fun, it's engaging, and it does encourage people to visit your blog more frequently as they're waiting for the new product to launch. Another really popular thing you could do to help drive people to your blog is to hold a contest or a giveaway. So often what you want to do if you're holding a contest or a giveaway is you want to sort of ask something of people. So for example, in order to be entered into the contest, they need to share your post on social media, or they need to leave a comment on your blog, or they need to share the contest on their blog. And those are the types of actions that then will enter them into your contest or giveaway. So this not only spreads the word about your product or your blog as other people are sharing it with their friends and their followers, it can drive a lot more people to come and check out, especially if you're giving away something that's really exciting or really cool. A good example of this is birdsparty.com. She runs tons of giveaways all the time. She is a printable product creator. She does a lot of seasonal products, Easter, Halloween, Christmas. And she does have information on how to host a contest. So if you want to check out her website, you can get a little bit more about specific steps and things to think about when hosting a contest yourself. If you're ready to tap into free and profitable traffic for rinse and repeat income streams, I have a really great product called Easy Printable Traffic. Of course, we talk more about blogs, all different kinds of blogs, and how you can use those to drive traffic. But there's a lot more to it than simply blogs. So if you're ready to dive a little bit deeper in how to drive traffic to your products, this is definitely the product for you. It's perfect for people who want to create low content products, to want to branch out into new income streams, and beginners looking for rinse and repeat strategies to grow your online empire. You can learn more about Easy Printable Traffic at my website, amyharrop.com. Hopefully you're ready to get out and start a blog, or you have some new ideas for things that you can do with your existing blog.